All right, guys. So I wanted to show you a trick here just in case you want to change the background to all of your slides. So this is the slide that I created yesterday. So let me show you what I'm going to do here. First, I'm going to show you how I can find an image that'll fit real nice in here. So I'm going to change the background only. Change the background, choose an image, and let's say that I want a different kind of, you can use Google search images, which is a great tool, which I highly recommend. But let's say that I want to go ahead and put this one here and select. I'm going to go ahead and click done. And then I'm going to say add to theme. So now it already has it done for me on all of my slides. And now I can go ahead and take this and go to Tall Tweets. If it's working, yeah, all right, it's working. It says here, so it's loading Google APIs. There you go. So now I'm going to go ahead and select from my drive. And I'm going to choose copy of walking GIF. Click select. And let it load. May take a while, a couple of seconds. Now, the other option was to do it through Screencastify. So you can check out the video on YouTube on how to use Screencastify with this. But here for my Google width, I'm going to go ahead and make sure Google image width, I'm going to make sure I put 800 and my slide duration 0.5 just to make it a little bit more fluid. Create the GIF and let's go ahead and check it out. Here's my preview. There you go. And now I can go ahead and save it. And there you go, download GIF 3. So now I'm ready to rock and roll, and I can go ahead and put that into my Google Classroom as a banner. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that real quick. There you go. And let's change this one up. Upload theme, select from computer. Should be in my downloads, download 3. And there it is. All right. Now, guys, the question was, my students can't see this on their phone, their mobile. You won't be able to see it on a mobile device, but you will be able to see this on a PC, desktop, laptop, Mac, and I believe the Chromebooks as well. So again, you can go ahead and do that there. Now, as far as this overlay, it's for readability, guys. It's just to make sure that people that make sure that they see the class name. I know that many of you are going in and clicking on inspect, but that doesn't solve the problem on the viewer side. So again, this is something that you're going to have to deal with for a little bit. I know people have been putting those suggestions to Google, and I'm sure that they'll get to it. But again, just wanted to fill you in on that. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Take it easy. Stay techie, my friends.